Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. I'm having some problems with my little light right here. Tesla closed up $32.18. That's good for 3.70%. We closed at 902.94. Post-market, we are down by $4.36. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We have a green candle. We came pretty low today. We went as low as 857.36, even lower. The size of the body here is quite high. We have a little wick at the bottom here. This is indication of a buying pressure. Let's go look at the 1-hour chart to understand how this happened. The first candle of the day was right here. We came pretty low, so we had a low of 848.03. And then we came back up quite strongly, but then we were stopped right here. So we were stopped right here. Let me tell you exactly, the 886.48. 886.48, we came back up to it. And then second hour, we tried to go higher, but then it was pushed back down below 886 again. Came back down, but now at 1:30, at 2:30, when that candle was all done, we basically touched this support right here that I just drew based on this candle here and this new candle that we had today. And look at this move up here. This move up here at 2:30, we started moving up quite strongly and we broke 886.48. And then on the last hour, we stayed above it with a nice green candle also. And we have stochastic over 60. This is a decent move. This is a decent move here, but we should just be careful because we might get stopped by this resistance right here. It's possible that we get stopped right here. But for now, this is a nice move that we are seeing. We have RSI over 50 and we had the MACD crossover right here on August 29. We see a little move up. So this is just on the 1-hour chart. So sometimes we have a move up here, but that does not lead to much. This time here, we already have stochastic over 60 before reaching the resistance. So maybe things are going to be different a little bit. Getting back to the daily chart, we have stochastic at 24.53. So stochastic is moving up a little bit, but all the rest of the indicators are still bearish. Nothing new here. We need to get out of this descending resistance. So it might take us a couple of days before the stock has to make a decision if it wants to break this or if it wants to break support and go even lower. This remains to be seen. Let's go see the VIX a little bit. So when the VIX is going up, the stock market is going down. So the VIX came pretty high during the day, but then came back down. This basically corresponds at the time when Tesla started to go up approximately. So VIX is still in an uptrend. In an uptrend, we should be careful with our long position because of this. Let's go see the Dow Jones, what's happening here. So Dow Jones broke outside of this decreasing channel, descending channel. We broke outside quite significantly, but recovered pretty well. So we closed back into it. In terms of S&P 500, so this is a little bit worse. We had broken on Friday 41.61 and we are not recovering at all. So we went as low at 40.59. Look at how perfectly we went and touched that support. A lot of weakness in the market, NASDAQ composite still going down in this downtrend, and also NASDAQ 100. This was just a little bit of a rebound day, but a candle that does not change a trend, and the trend is really down. Just be careful and don't jump back in too soon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member you can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.